divide 603 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 30 means 60. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 603 divided by 2 is 301 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.